Hello, I'm Kat from Yellow Days, and today we are going to be decorating our Easter tree. We're about a week away from Easter now, and time to get some of our decorations out, which is always a fun day with the kids. So we've got a couple of things here we're going to be putting up. This lovely new pretend flower garland. I got that from Hobbycraft, I think, a couple of weeks ago. And some papier-mâché eggs that Verity and I have decorated this week with some patterned paper. A couple of sort of bog standard glittery eggs and painted ones. A couple of these mini nests, I think they were a Hobbycraft find as well. And plus these little eggs with the cutout with the extra eggs inside. You can never have too many eggs, I suppose. We've got our Happy Easter bunting back there as well that's going to go along the windowsill. And then my absolute favourite for this year, these little green bunnies. I have no idea why a bunny would be covered in grass, or indeed pretend grass, but hey, I think they're really cute and the kids really love them, so I'm really happy with those. Yes, so join us. We're going to decorate the tree and see how it looks in the end.